Welcome back to our next video. This is our best friend. This is Boney. As you can see, he's not a new guy. He's kind of old, aging. So, this is the guy. As you can tell by he needs some bone adjustments.
Peace.
So we are going to take turns doing adjustments on him wherever we feel like he needs it most. So we're going to have me go first, then he'll go, and then he'll go. And then we're going to have these two leave the screen, and then it'll just be me. Get back here, I'll do adjustments on you. Okay. All right, so you tell me your back hurts. We're gonna have you put your arms up here. Now we're gonna have you put your face on a pillow.
Oh, that's interesting.
Now, just keep your legs up here. First, we're gonna adjust your back. Then we'll do both of your legs. Ready? Tell me, where does it? All right, and two more. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And one more. I'm gonna have you turn this way for this one. Ready? And all right. Oh no. Okay. I can tell you're feeling better. So already. Yeah, that's
Okay, is it my turn?
no. Free adjustment. Okay. We're gonna have
My
you
turn?
just-
Is it my turn?
Next person. That's Wes. All right.
Hey, what's up? Okay, I'm just gonna have you lay.
He needs a pillow. He needs a pillow.
Okay,
Put his legs in and head up.
okay. Okay, I'm just going to put your head like that. Okay, get ready. I'm just gonna twist your head like this. Let me just okay.
All right, adjust the arms, please.
The arm, okay.
Just one of the arms. It's Luke's turn to adjust them.
Wait.
He'll do the elbows. All right. Let's move on to the next person. He's not going to be okay.
Okay, today we're gonna be killing some people. Okay. Okay, just I think that might be the end.
All right. That's going to be it for today's video. We hope that you like and subscribe, but if you don't, that's okay too. See you in the next video. Bye.